we're getting ready to cut these trees around the shed here, around all the swing set and all the stuff. I'm gonna set y'all up over here. Okay, so we're getting along pretty good so far. We got the pool done. That went okay. Didn't get anything in the pool. That's a nice friggin' pool. So I was talking to the landowner about the pool, and I was like, man, I don't want to get any. The missus watched me. She was watching me the whole time I was cutting around her pool. If you hadn't seen it, go check the video out. You know, I'm sitting there sweating bullets in there, trying not to drop anything in the pool or get it, because it's a nice setup, and I did not want to. So anyways, now I'm on the back side of his garage over here, and where he's cutting up his woodshed is and stuff, and playground and stuff like that. So, and some of these oaks they're not leaning horrible, but there's plenty up there, and it's not just the lean, it's stuff falling out of the trees onto the his assets. I don't want to tear anything up, from a deadfall falling out of a tree or something. And these oaks has a few in them. There's a couple dead branches and things. It's time for them to go, put it that way. It's time to get them out of here before they start tearing up things around, and that's kind of what he had in mind. And after this video, after we get back from vacation, I'm gonna have to cut some poplar trees out of his front yard. That's gonna start doing the same thing. So let's see how this red oak goes. There's a limb fell out, white oak tree. There's what I'm talking about right there. So, but I'll shut up. It's just a short video here. We're getting a few things out of the way, and it's just an odd duck, and I wanted to kind of keep things on subject, so I didn't want to string other things onto this. So this is just a short video, and we'll see how that we get this, if we can get this white oak tree down without tearing up anything too. So I hope y'all like this, and leave me comments and stuff like that. Let me know what you think about everything, and tell me what y'all think as far as Brutus getting into the landscaping business. He looks like he kind of... Hey, my buddy Tom asked me the other day, we're going to go on his land next. He goes, so how deep's them cleats on that thing and everything? And I said, Tom, this ain't a landscape machine. It's going to cut your grass up. I don't know what Of course, he got tickled. I already know him. Me and him's been buddies for years. But he's the landowner we're going on next. He's a cool dude. I think you'll get some kick out of some of the stuff we get into on his property, too. We get into some touchy stuff. There's plenty of touchy yard trees around assets coming up. So, everybody have a good one later on. just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for everything you all do for us as far as support and all that stuff. Don't think it fall on deaf ears. If anybody ever wants anything, go to loggerway.com, and we got all the shirts and hats and all that mess if you want any gear. And leave me likes and thumbs up and all that mess if you like this thing. And don't forget to ring the bell and all the buttons and stuff. Thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. And don't forget to smile.